In our next video, we'll dive into its Forex applications. So stick around and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more trading tips and tools. Risk warning: trading binary options involves financial risk, and you may lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. This indicator scans price charts automatically to detect the ABCD chart pattern and alerts you with an arrow trading signal: blue arrow time to buy and red arrow time to sell. It's great for both beginners and advanced traders. Whether you're just starting out or building complex strategies, this indicator has you covered. Before using it on a live account, always test it on a demo account to understand its behavior and performance. Here are the simple trading rules to follow. Blue arrow signal. When you see a blue arrow, it signals an uptrend, meaning it's a great time to enter a buy trade. Look for this signal near a support level to boost your trade success rate. Red arrow signal. When you spot a red arrow, it's time to place a sell trade, indicating a downtrend. For even better results, trade near a resistance level. Works on any chart, but for binary options, use a 1-minute chart with a 5-minute trade expiry. For the best results, trade during the European and US sessions. Avoid trading during major news events to minimize risks. So now let's move straight into live trading to see how the indicator performs. Make sure to watch carefully and take notes so you can apply these strategies in your own trades. If you're excited to try this out, get this indicator on my Telegram channel. All right, traders, here's the setup. After the ABCD pattern became firm, we got a red sell arrow. While the price hasn't quite reached the resistance level, we noticed a strong bearish rally after the D point. That's why I decided to take a sell trade here. Now let's talk about a downside of this indicator. It doesn't provide audio alerts or push notifications, so you'll need to keep an eye on your charts to catch the signals in real time. And remember, trading binary options involves significant financial risk and could lead to losing money. Always trade responsibly and only use funds you can afford to lose. All right, let's see how this trade turns out. Will this indicator bring us a profit or a loss? Great news, traders. We've won this trade. Now let's move on and look for another perfect trade setup following our recommended strategy. Remember, patience is key. Wait for the right signals to maximize your success. All right, traders, here's our next setup. According to our trading rules, this is a perfect buy trade. After the ABCD pattern firmed up, we got a blue buy arrow from the indicator, and the price has just reversed from the support level. Everything lines up perfectly with our strategy. Now it's time to see if this trade gives us a profit or a loss. But hold on, let's take a closer look. Even when everything seems perfect, there are times when we still lose. So, let's explore why this might happen, despite the setup looking right. Stick with me and let's find out how this trade goes. We've won this trade. The buy setup worked perfectly, and we've made a profit. Now let's move on and search for the next perfect trade setup based on our recommended strategy. Stay patient and wait for the right signals to maximize your success. Let's find that next opportunity. This is a perfect buy trade. Got a blue buy arrow, and the price has reversed from the support level. Let's see if this trade gives us a profit or loss. Trading can be unpredictable, so we'll find out together. But it's not just about winning. We also need to identify which setups to avoid in order to minimize our losses. So let's dive into the next part, where I'll show you what trading setups you should steer clear of to stay ahead. Let's see how this trade turns out and keep learning along the way. We've won this trade. The setup worked perfectly, and we're in the profit zone. Now, let's keep the momentum going and look for the next perfect trade setup based on our recommendations. Remember, patience and precision are key. Let's find the next opportunity and keep trading smart. Here's what's happening, traders. I've taken a sell trade because after the ABCD pattern firmed up, the indicator gave a sell signal. Now, the price isn't at the resistance level yet, but we're seeing a strong bearish movement after the D point. However, this isn't a perfect sell setup. If we look closely, we had just received a buy signal earlier, and we took a buy trade. Then notice the price. One bullish candle after another, with no bearish candles in between. This shows the price is in a strong uptrend, and it would be risky to jump into a sell trade this soon. The lesson here: avoid trading on setups like this where the trend is still clearly bullish. It's important to stay patient and wait for the right moments to trade. Let's see how this trade plays out. Will it result in profit or loss? Stay tuned. As we already knew, we've lost this trade. But don't worry, this is part of the journey. Let's find the perfect trade setup according to our trading rules and get back on track. Remember, trading is all about learning from each setup and staying patient. Let's find the next opportunity and make it count. All right, traders, here's the update. I've taken a sell trade on the same chart where we lost the previous trade, but as you can see, the situation has changed. Earlier, the trend was much stronger, but now it's different. The market sentiment has shifted. Sellers have entered the market 2 or 3 times, and after the D level, we're seeing more aggressive selling. This change in market behavior makes it a suitable setup for a sell trade. So let's see if this trade gives us a profit or a loss. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which trading strategy or topic you'd like me to cover next. I'm here to create content based on your favorite trading ideas. We've won this trade. That's a great result. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support means a lot and helps me create more awesome content just for you. And hey, share this video with your trading community. Let's grow and learn together. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, the power to succeed is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.